Have you ever heard someone say, "This crypto just forked," and felt totally confused? Don't worry. Today on Block Basics, we're breaking down our crypto forks in the simplest way possible. Think of a crypto fork like a road splitting into two directions. A fork happens when a blockchain changes its rules, like updating software. Some people follow the old rules and others follow the new rules. That split, that's called a fork. Crypto forks usually happen to fix bugs, improve security, add new features, or fix disagreements in the community. Just like apps update, blockchains need updates too. There are two main types of crypto forks: soft fork, hard fork. Let's keep this super simple. A soft fork is a small update that still works with the old system. Even if you don't update right away, you can still use the blockchain. Imagine your phone app updates, but the old version still works. A hard fork is a big change. If you don't update, you can't use the new version, and the blockchain may split into two separate coins. Bitcoin forked and created Bitcoin Cash. Same history, but now two different paths. Crypto forks aren't good or bad by default. They can be good when they improve security or speed, risky when they split the community. It all depends on why the fork happened. A crypto fork equals a rule change. Soft fork equals small update, no split. Hard fork equals big change, possible new coin. Forks help crypto evolve. If this video helped you understand crypto forks, hit like, subscribe to Block Basics, and comment Fork Explained below.